So we're talking about a deflated earlobe, and this is her piercing, which with a deflated earlobe looks like the piercing has become elongated, so it looks like a slit instead of just a piercing. But if I just show you, see that the piercing is not elongated, it is still a tiny hole, but because the ear has deflated, it's going to fold on itself and it makes it look like a slit more than a hole. So by us filling this out, we're gonna make that rejuvenate that and give her the support we need underneath here to keep her earrings up. It becomes more hydrated, as all fillers do attract some water. The hole a lot better than a complete slit, which we thought would be going up a lot higher. So I feel like I need a little bit more right over there. There we go. And massage to smooth everything out.